Imagine hitting the open road, miles from anywhere, and still having ice-cold drinks and fresh food ready to go. This portable car refrigerator promises exactly that, but can it truly deliver on such a big claim for your next adventure? Well, after looking into it, this isn't just another cooler. It's a serious piece of gear designed to keep your provisions perfectly chilled, or even frozen, no matter where your journey takes you. First off, let's talk capacity. This isn't a tiny lunchbox fridge. You get options for 39, 49, or even a massive 59 liters. That's enough space for a family's worth of drinks, snacks, and even fresh groceries for those longer road trips, camping excursions, or even just a day out. It's incredibly versatile, easily transitioning from a plug-in cooler at home to a robust truck refrigerator on the highway. The real magic here is the cooling performance. It's equipped with efficient compressor technology, which means it doesn't just cool, it chills rapidly and saves energy while doing it. You can switch modes to maintain the perfect temperature, whether you need things just cool or properly frozen. And for those unexpected power outages, it boasts an impressive ability to keep things warm for 6 to 8 hours, which is a thoughtful touch for preserving food safety. Controlling this unit is surprisingly intuitive. It features a smart touch button control panel with a clear LED temperature display. This isn't some fiddly dial. It gives you precise control, so you can set your ideal temperature and trust that your food and drinks will stay exactly how you want them. Now, a big concern with any car accessory is battery drain. But this portable fridge has you covered with a 3-level battery protection system, H, M, or L. This intelligent feature actively prevents your car battery from overdraining, giving you peace of mind, especially when you're off-grid. And speaking of off-grid, this cooler is built for adventure. It runs under 45 decibels, which is quieter than most conversations, so it won't be a noisy distraction on your ride. More importantly, it's engineered to withstand shocks, bumps, and even 30-degree slopes. That means it's genuinely ready for off-road trips, bumpy trails, or long hauls in a truck. Its robust design, measuring about 62 by 40 by 40 centimeters and weighing around 13.5 kilograms, feels substantial and durable. So what's the verdict? This portable car refrigerator is a powerful and reliable companion for anyone who spends significant time on the road or outdoors. Its generous capacity, efficient cooling, smart controls, and rugged build make it an outstanding choice for keeping your provisions fresh and cold, ensuring your adventures are always well-stocked and comfortable. It truly delivers on its promise.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.